Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of May 2026. We'll try to do the reading again in mid of May, but for the time being, this is what I have. The roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also. And if this is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to force yourself to fit into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box to find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Sagis, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. I have the Six of Cups and the Knight of Wands and the Five of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. This is somebody who is either a very spiritual person or an introvert kind of person or mysterious or secretive kind of a person. So this is someone who feels like they should keep their emotions, keep their energies, and keep their everything to themselves, and they should not reveal anything, express anything, say anything. Not to you only, to anyone actually. Okay, they should not show any kind of sign of vulnerability or express or do anything that is going to make them like uncomfortable, make them feel uncomfortable. When it comes to the conscious level of energies, feelings, or thoughts, you can say this person is missing you. This person is missing the bond, especially the physical intimacy that you guys used to share with each other, the friendship that you guys used to share with each other, the fun times that you guys used to share with each other. Five of Wands here represents that they can't stop thinking, although they miss all the beautiful memories, beautiful times, and everything. They can't stop thinking negative about the situation at the same time. Whenever they are thinking about you or about the situation, naturally drama, conflict, and chaos comes to their mind. Naturally, they feel like this whole situation is a drama, this whole situation is a chaos, this whole situation is going to bring some kind of conflict and chaos in their life, and this is never going to be a peaceful kind of a situation, or it never was. Even if there was fun, even if there was a bonding, even if there was a strong friendship, it was a strong soul connection, but there was always drama in the situation, and they still feel like even if they are going to do something about or this situation or say something, this is going to convert into a drama again. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? I have the Three of Cups and the Hierophant and the Page of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Chariot. This person wants to keep moving forward. They just want to be in this determination kind of energy of no matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult it is, no matter how mind fucking it is, I'm not going to stop for anything or anyone. I'm just going to look forward and forward and forward. Okay. And when it comes to the conscious level of making choices, the intention that they have about the situation is, if you guys can be friends again, and if you guys are not going to talk about marriage, long term future, commitment, then they can be your friend again. This is what they want. They want a friendship where there is no commitment, there is no serious talks, there is no accountability, there is no energy of wanting to maybe friends with benefits for some of you, not all of you, but they just want to remain friends. They just want to keep things very casual, very friendly, very fun loving. I don't think so this person is right now in this zone of wanting to have commitment or marriage or long term partnership kind of a deal with you. Right now they just want something fun loving. Right now they just want some kind of casual friendship kind of a thing, where both of you can enjoy each other's company, both of you can have fun with each other, whatever the definition of fun is for both of you, and you guys are not talking about the serious stuff at all, so that both of you can move forward also and stick around with each other also. So this person doesn't want relationship, they just want friendship, so that they can move forward in their life and you can also move forward in your life. If this is making any sense to you, this is what I'm getting out of the situation from this person's intentions towards you. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month. We'll try to do the reading again in the mid of May, but for the timing, let's see energetically where it is going. We have the Six of Wands, the Three of Swords, and the Star. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups. Right now, they are in this energy of mending their broken heart. They are trying their best to connect with a soulmate kind of energy. It can be work, it can be some other person that they're connected to, it can be another love story that they are connected to, that they are right now going through. So right now they're trying to fix something else, or some with someone else, or a situation that is very very close to their home, their heart, and their soul. Because but why am I saying this? Right now they're super focused on creating a good life for themselves. They're heartbroken, they're hurt, and they're just trying to heal and remaining optimistic and positive to the idea that maybe me and Sagittarius can be friends again, but there is no chance that we are going to be lovers again. Because right now they are having another connection, another bond, or another important thing going on in their life that they are super focused on, and they're not happy there also, but and they are going through a lot of pain and hurtful energies there also, but they're trying to fix it, they're trying to heal it, they're not giving up on that thing or that situation. For the, I don't see them taking any kind of action towards you, at least for the timing, because they are right now in the zone of fixing something else with someone else. Or take it how it resonates with you, maybe they are fixing something else that's very close to their home and stability. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys for this situation, honey. So I have the Two of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Wands. Stop waiting for something or someone to show up in your life the way you want them to show up. This person might show up in your life again. There are chances of that, but they might not end up showing the way you want them to show up. So if you are putting everything or everyone in the backseat because you're waiting for someone special to come or someone specific to come forward and give you what you want, I don't think so. It is going to happen exactly the way you want it to happen. It might happen, but not the way you want it to happen, and it might break your heart again. If you are not if you're on the crossroads when it comes to a particular situation, whether it's a new situation or past or in the future also, if you're not sure about a particular person or situation in your life, like where the situation is going or what is going to give you, what it is going to give you, and if something or someone is keeping you stuck in a loop and they're never giving you a proper answer, proper clarity, then keep on moving forward. Okay, stop living in possibilities, stop living in hopes, stop living stop being in those connection where you see a potential but the potential is never happening. So Sagittarius, if you are living with those kind of hopes or those kind of energies that something is going to happen, something is going to happen, something is going to happen, and then you hurt yourself only at the end of the day, stop doing that with yourself. Then you are the reason of your own hurt and pain, nothing else, no one else is to blame here. If you guys are having this, sometimes we never get the proper answer, sometimes we never get the proper clarity of what the other person is up to, what they want from us, what they feel for us, and we still keep ourselves stuck in a limbo, stuck in a situation, because we think like someday they are going to feel something, someday they are going to say something, someday they are going to fall in love with me because I'm going to be available all the time, I'm going to love them like crazy. Cut this bull scrap. Okay, everyone who can have sex, everyone who can fall in, like have a full-fledged relationship, have the capacity to understand what they are doing with the other person, or what they like or what they don't like. If somebody loves you, they're not going to keep you stuck like this. If somebody really and genuinely wants to be with you, they're going to do whatever it takes to be with you. They're not going to play games with you, they're not going to make your life miserable. So take it whatever you feel like, take it however you want to take it, but stopping your life and living in the hope that someday is not going to help you in any way. If they are not giving you what you want, clear cut answers, clear cut energies, then keep on saying goodbye and moving on to the next. Okay, it might sound rude, it might sound like, oh my god, you don't understand, I love them. Keep on loving them, then don't cry, then take it like, okay, this is what it is, I'm going to like die like this only. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Sagittarius. This portion also might or might not resonate with you, please keep that in mind. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the answer as the guidance for the situation if you want to. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. So the answer to your question is yes. It's a full pleasure yes. So I don't have to explain. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.